come following you
Imana
to
igiye
pray, oh
gukora
God.
igitangaza
God is going to perform
kugira
a
ngo abantu
miracle.
bazaze bavuga
that people can
ngo
say,
Imana ye niyo Mana,
He's God,
ngo
our God
Imana
is God.
asenga niyo Mana.
God, He prays, He's the
Yesu
true
ntabwo
God.
akora udutangaza,
Jesus cannot just do
Yesu
mere
akora
miracles.
igitangaza.
Jesus performs a
Yesu
miracle.
ntabwo akora ibyo dushoboye
Jesus does
gukora,
not do what we are
Yesu
capable of
akora ibyo
doing.
tudashoboye gukora.
Jesus only do
Ibyo
what you are
tudashoboye
not capable.
gukora
Whatever you're not capable
biba
of
birenze
doing
ubwenge
is
bwacu,
beyond our imagination.
biba birenze imbaraga
It's
zacu,
beyond our strength.
biba birenze ubushobozi
It's beyond
bwacu.
our capability.
Ibyo nibyo Yesu agiye
That
gukora
is
mu
what
buzima
Jesus is
bwawe.
going to do in your life.
Yesu agiye gukora
Jesus is going to do
ibirenze ubwenge
what
bwawe,
is beyond your
ibirenze
imagination,
ubushobozi bwawe.
beyond your ability.
Yesu yaza gukiza Lazaro,
If Jesus had saved Lazarus,
nta gishya yari kubakoze,
he would not even have done anything new anyway.
kuko abarwayi bakiraga bari benshi.
Because many sick people are being healed by them.